we've got a bit of a mould problem on this job, and it's pretty ingrained into the wood and into this. This is a bit of liner. There was a leak, and the leak's been fixed, so this is the result after the leak. So this liner's not coming off because it's expensive stuff anyway. It's that thermal liner. So my customers asked me just to clean it up, put some mould killer on there, which is this stuff. When you have a look on the back and you read the small writing, which I won't bore you with, it basically says wash the surface down with a suitable degreaser, or just some soap, and I'm going to use a bit of fairy in some hot water. So wash the surface down, and then you apply the spray and you allow that to dry. You don't wipe it off, you just spray it on, allow it to dry, and then paint over. So you need to take precautions with this stuff. Make sure you wear some gloves, you wear a mask and some eye protection when you're spraying it. And I've pulled the carpet back, so you want to make sure you don't get it on anything. It's poisonous stuff. Don't put it near any food, anything like that. Make sure you read the instructions carefully. So just give it all a wipe down. I'll show you that in a minute. Time to apply some spray. I've got my gloves. So give it a shake up. And then make sure you've got the nozzle released to the correct opening position. And then just spray the surface. So on the instructions it says allow to dry fully, and then you're ready to paint.